If you are working in Python, you must have came across the term modules and packages. So, hi everyone, this is Skillari, and today in this video, we are going to tell you how to create your own module and package in a very beginner friendly way. So, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Python module is a file containing Python definition and statements. In a module, you can define classes, variables, and functions. In short, a Python module is just a simple Python script. A Python script which can be used in a different Python script is then regarded as a Python module. So that is what we mean by Python module. A module can also include runnable code. You can group related code into module. Now this will make the code easier to understand and use. Hence, it helps us in code logically being organized. So that's all about modules. And packages are just a collection of modules. Let's create our very own module and a package. For this, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to create a folder. So let's create a folder. So I'll just name it as my package for now. As of now, I'll just take it as a small simple folder, and inside of it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a script. So for writing our script, I am using Sublime Text. You need an IDE. So over here, I'll just write print hello, and I am going to save it as in my desktop. I'm going to save it as in my package. I'll just write module 1 for now. Note this is a very simple script, and now what I'm going to show is how to execute it. So for this, it's quite simple. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to move into my desktop from my CMD, and then I'm going to move into my package, and then I'm just going to write Python. Let's correct the spelling. And whatever my package is. So you see, that's how we execute or we run a script on our CMD. Now let us create a module. If you could recall, module is just a simple Python script which is used in a different script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reframe my code. So over here, I'm going to write a simple multiply function which will take n1 comma n2, and it in return it will just print out n1 into n2. Same thing I'm going to do with subtraction n1 comma n2, and what it will do is it will print n1 minus n2. A very simple code. Now next, I'm going to create one more script, and in that script I am going to use these functions. So let's create a new file and let's name it as module2 module2.py. Now to import all the functions from module 1, we are going to use from module 1 import, write the function name whichever you want to use. For this, let's say I want just the subtraction function, and now I'll just do the function call. So I'll take, let's say 10 comma 5. Let's save it now. Save both of them, and now let's call module 2. As you see that I have run right now the script module 2, and in module 2 script what I am doing is I am calling a function that is present in a different script that is on module 1. Same thing you can do for multiplication over here. You can just write comma multiply, and we can write multiply. Let's write 2 into 3. Let's save it and let's run it. So you see, we get the subtraction first, that is 10 minus 5, that is 5, and then the multiplication, that is 2 into 3, 6. Rather writing this, if you need all the functions that our module 1 script is having, we can just write the star symbol. It means that we are importing everything from module 1. Let's run it again. We'll get the same one. That is what we mean by module. Now let's create our very own package. Package, as I said, is a collection of module. Now, how do you define a package? For this, what we need to do is we just need to create a new, let's keep a very empty file. Let's create an empty file, that is, it will be named as init. So when my system looks at it, it doesn't take it as a normal directory, but a directory for our Python package. Okay, so let's create a new file again, and I'll just save it as underscore underscore init underscore underscore and .py. Successfully, this is our script now. This is our Python package. If we want to create a sub package, that is a package inside a package. So we'll create a new folder. Let's name it as sub package. And then let's create an empty file. Let's create an empty file inside of it. So let's create a new file. Again, I'll save it as init, but this time inside of the sub package. So it accounts itself as a sub package .py. Let's cut it and let's create a new file. In this file, I'll just write whatever I want to import. Let's say in this, I want to write a code of def add. I'll take n1 comma n2 and then print. Let's check out the indentation. N comma n2 f string. I'll just write addition, and inside of this I'm going to write n1 plus n2. That's it. Let's save it. We are going to save it inside of our sub package. So I will name this package as add.py. Now, if I want to use this function that is present inside a sub package, so what I'm going to do is I am going to write over here from sub package. Make sure the spelling is right. Check out the spelling. That is sub underscore package. Sub package. I want to import add. And from this script, I want to import the function everything. That is, I'll get the add function from here itself. So what I'm going to do is I'll just write add 10, 5. Let's save it. Let's save everything. And now let's run it again. Let's run Python. Ooh, I think there's an error. What kind of error it is? Okay. So what we have to do is we have to change this. Let's save it. Let's run it once more. Now you see that 5 is something which is present in module 1 package. So it's a module again from 6. 6 is again a function that is present on module 1. And addition equals to 15 is a function which is present inside a module, which is again present inside our sub package. So in short, modules and packages are a very easy concept. What we mean by module again is just a simple Python script. When we use that Python script in a different script, then we call it as a module. And a package is a collection of modules. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it intuitive. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button.